Hello everyone. So I wanted to change the lampshade out in our living room on the lamp that my brother gave me. And I went to the Goodwill and I found this one. And as you can see, the price on it was $2. So what I'm going to do is swap out the lampshade that's currently on the lamp that's sitting on one of the end tables that's here in our living room with this lampshade right here. Alrighty. I forgot to mention that this lampshade originally sells for $54.99 on Amazon. Let's see if I can do this one-handed, guys. Now later on, I think I'm gonna come back and actually change the color of this lamp, as well as the heart and the base of it. I think I'm gonna change the color of it. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, but okay. I think I have it on there. Well, let's try it that way. Make sure that the back of it is lined up.